Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Tuesday assured safety and security of people residing along the interstate border with Assam. Sangma said this replied to a zero-hour notice moved by UDP legislator from Nongpo, Meghalaya CM, on the poster campaign by a Hindu radical group asking missionary schools across Assam and few of the interstate bordering areas to stop using educational institutions for religious purposes. The Chief Minister said the superintendents of police and the DG will be informed to carry out patrolling to ensure people have a sense of confidence that they will be with them or protect them if any situation is to happen. The Chief Minister said that he is in continuous touch with the Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, and the Chief Secretaries of the two states are also in constant touch with each other.